Well, good morning. This is Miss Stowers, and I'm going to show you how to upload a photo of your artwork to your assignments in Teams. That's a lot of words, right? Okay, so let's go to your team, your art team. I've set up my child's account. I have a high schooler, and I've set up his account, and hopefully I'm not interfering with his work. But this is what third grade art team looks like. This is what second grade art team looks like. First grade will have a purple one that looks like a hot dog. Kindergarten, of course, will have a K. You get the idea. So second grade's icon looks like this. I'm going to click on it. And up at the top, you have all these different words. General, post, files, class notebook, two more. I'm looking for assignments. I'm going to click on assignments. And here is assignment and that he needs to turn in. So I'm going to click on it. It says draw a circle, turn in something new. I'm going to click on it. And here are all the directions. But right here, this is what you want to look for. Add work. The paper clip and add work. So this is where you add the work. So I'm going to click on it. And I need to upload from this device, right? Well, how do I get a photo to this device? Lots of different ways. You can take a photo on your phone and send it to your computer, but I'm going to show you this way. I just learned this. But down here, see, over in this left corner, I click on the window. There is a camera. Click on your camera, and it pulls up a camera. And look, here I am. And I'm going to, here's a hot air balloon. I turn my dot into a hot air balloon. I'm going to take a photo, and there it is there. I'm going to X out of this. So now I'm going to click back on Add Work, upload from this device, and I'm going to go to Pictures, and it should be on my camera roll. See, here's all my pictures, but it should be on my camera roll. It took me a while to find this. Camera roll, open. There's the one with me with the hot air balloon. Open it. Look, it's uploading, done, click done. All right, so here, if it says something like this, the JPEG, right there, add work, then I need to go up here, turn in late. I do not care that it's late. All I want to know is that you're doing your artwork and showing it to me. So don't worry about it being late. Just click on turn in late. I got a piñata. How amazing is that? So cool. And that is it. Okay, so I hope that helps. I hope that works. I'm going to X out of here because I'm afraid that my child needs to get into his meeting. So I hope that helps. Please do not hesitate to email me if you ever have any